Hey everyone! If you have noticed that your ringtone volume has dropped after a recent update on your iPhone, you are in the right place. And today I'm gonna walk you through some easy steps to get your ringtone back to its normal volume. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Disable auto low sounds for ringtone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode to proceed. After that, scroll down and find the Attention Aware Features option. Turn off this feature by toggling it off. Quickly after that, go back to the main Settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Make sure to set the volume slider to the maximum level. Solution 2. Turn off mono audio for ringtone. Open the Settings app again. Then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down and select Audio and Visual. From here, turn off the mono audio option. Scroll down to the balance slider and ensure it's set in the middle position. Now, restart your iPhone. After that, your ringtone volume issue should be resolved 100%. If you're still experiencing problems, just drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.